down and make me weak again. After all, I called you my best friend. And I've been here, I know the story.
Hey, good shit, man. Good morning. What's up? What is going on, guys? Welcome. I am back. I already picked up my students. We're already under loads. We're headed over to Colorado. All right, we're gonna do a intro with him later on. We'll see if he wants to get onto it or not. But we got a delivery in DC Walmart up in Loveland, Colorado. All right, we went ahead and picked up the loads. Didn't focus too much on filming, but like I said, we're already under loads. That's all that matters. So let's go ahead and see what type of trouble and what type of storm we can run into. All right. That's goals right here. Can't wait. Super cool guy let me film his truck with the drone. Now we're off and
gotta send those videos to me on the Facebook.
Hell yeah, man. I'll come over and grab your stuff.
Or you can just tag me in it, I guess, on there. Twisted Clover Transport.
Alrighty, guys. Good morning. We are in Oklahoma, the panhandle of Oklahoma. We are fueling up right now. We just woke up and took some cool drone shots of the truck. Went over and talked to the guy. Super chill guy, alright. And got his Instagram. We're gonna send him over those videos that we shot of his truck. But we are 347 miles away, so we are still a day early. We went ahead and shut down way too early yesterday as well. But it is very chilly outside, right? It's like 30 degrees outside. Yeah, like something like 30 degrees, 27, something like that. All right, so I'm gonna let James drive today the entire way, just so he could go ahead and get his hours. And we're gonna go ahead and shut down in Colorado. Get up in the morning, deliver it, and head out to our next pickup. So let's get right into it.
Yeah, look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the mood? Yeah, I just hit up Mikey for the juice. Yeah, ain't no capping, I'ma tell the truth. I've been winning for so long, it's hard to lose. Deal, be my source, Christian like Dior. Yeah, I can't start when I'm far, just get back up. Yeah, I've been quiet all along on my TP toes. Yeah, I can't keep it to myself, I just give and go. I'm a visionist, yeah, you can't picture this. Yeah, ain't no way you cannot work me, boy, I live for this. Yeah, sipping essential, that's the essentials, I'm influential. Yeah, straight fundamental, that's fundamental, on instrumentals. Yeah, speed of the tempo, yeah, we got potential.
Welcome back, guys. You're coming on. And now that I'm thinking about, like, the guy's like, yeah, man, give me your Instagram. And I gave him my personal Instagram, which has like a couple thousand followers on it. But I was like, damn, I don't have a channel Instagram, right? I think I only have 2,000 followers on there, but like it's like my personal life on there and stuff.
Yeah, you need one for your
yeah, one for my channel and stuff.
and shit.
Yeah, so I'm gonna create one tonight and stuff. So get interviewed?
Sure.
Alright, cool.
You ready to get interviewed?
Yeah, pretty much. Alright, what's going on, guys? I am over here with my next students, James, right?
James.
Yep, alright. I'm gonna do a little quick interview with him, right? Just ask a couple questions. So, first of all, let's start off with your name. What's your name?
James Garden.
James Garden. Cool, man. Where you from?
Oklahoma City.
Oh, nice. How was that growing up over there?
Oh man, his ass. Small town.
You fan of the Thunders?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Stallers from Seattle over there. But, how old are you? so you're still young, man. Still got a whole life in front of you.
Hopefully.
Yeah. And what made you get into trucking?
It's just like immense opportunity. It's just like so many careers you can go. It's insane.
Cool, man. So they got a little nice private airport. So what do you think about my truck setup so far?
Dude, it's pretty nice, man. You got a lot of organization. Been on a couple trucks so far, and there ain't no organization to it. You know what I'm saying? Like they're just throwing shit on the dash. They're ready to roll. Like you know what I'm saying? They're a lot cleaner.
No, I appreciate it, man. So, well, if you don't mind, I know we already talked about like your history and stuff, but without going too much into detail, just give us a little story about yourself.
Man. Just like growing up, small town, you know, shit was a lot different.
Yeah.
Shit was pretty hard. And so I had to learn really young how to make a way for myself, you know. So
Uh-huh.
I didn't really have school. So
Alright.
basically learned really early how to, you know, make my own.
Yeah.
That's why I like this industry, because that's exactly what everybody out here does, you know, in the trucking industry,
Mhm.
is making their own. You know, everyone makes their own decisions on the spot. Their plans, their trip. Everyone's different out here. They're all doing the same thing.
Yeah. Cool, man. What made you come over and work with Stevens versus any other company?
They didn't do a hair follicle test.
You what?
They didn't do no hair follicle test.
Alright. Gotcha.
Shit, man. And they pay for my school.
Yeah, that was a big reason why I chose, but at the end of the day, I ended up paying for my own school, my own funds and stuff. But I think if you keep your nose clean and you're not too rebellious like me, you have a pretty good career in here.
Right. Yeah, I mean, like I seen those dudes on the yard, they got like 8 trucks. They have,
Yeah.
like, multiple drivers for those trucks that haul loads for Stevens. It's like, holy shit, man.
Yeah.
And he was like, oh yeah, man, all those trucks, even though they have all other drivers that drive them, the trucks still get paid my pay.
Yeah, they get paid $1.16 and then
And they end up paying, he pays those dudes like, you know, 60 cents or whatever.
Yeah.
And he makes a spread on like 8 trucks. Holy shit, dude.
it's a good business to get into, man. A lot of opportunities if you do it right. But this is such a heavy regulated industry to the point where, you know, it almost feels like the government's sticking their nose way too much, and
They bully the shit out of this industry.
yeah, they really do, but they don't realize how important that this industry is to America. And if they keep over-regulating this industry and, you know, keep putting their nose where it's not supposed to, they're gonna find themselves in a very big problem.
Right.
And you know, especially right now, it's so hard to survive as a small individual, as a small company, with 1 or even 2, 3 trucks, you know, because the prices, the rates,
Like, man,
yeah,
prices of all the regulations, licensing, you know, all that paperwork that you got to go through is it can cost just as much as a damn truck and trailer.
yeah, it's crazy, man. You know, and then like one screw up, you can see yourself in jail.
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
insane.
Not just your screw up, one of your drivers fucks up.
Yeah.
You're liable for that too.
Yeah, it's crazy.
They got no like slack. You know, it's a tight leash on the industry.
Mm-hmm.
So,
What's now we got kind of talking about the industry. What type of point of view you got on this industry? Like, what's some goods you see, what are some bads?
well, the good is that, you know, like, I've seen so many different walks of life starting a business and be successful at it. You know, from like all different kinds of religions, all different kinds of, they're from all different kinds of the world, you know what I mean? Even not from this country, they'll come over here. I mean, like, they can do real little thing, shit, like something you didn't even mean to. Like those dudes leaving Laredo, and they had a bunch of immigrants hop on his truck, and he had no idea. You know what I'm saying? And boom, he's getting jail time.
Yeah.
He just like, bro, that's crazy. Like he had no idea. They're just hiding in his truck, but it's like, oh man, or in the trailer.
Yeah.
And it's like, boom, wrecked. Like you're going to jail. Like what?
Yeah.
Bro, yeah, you're trafficking. What do you mean? I had no idea.
Yeah. Oh wow, we got a flipped over, rollover right here.
It was windy yesterday.
Yeah, it was really windy. I don't know if the camera's gonna see it. There it goes. Yeah. But yeah, it was really windy, but he did very good. You had yourself perfectly. So, alrighty guys, we're gonna keep on rolling. Try to knock out some of these miles.
Right.
Let's see it.
My longest case is yeah, look at this shit, dude.
I know, man. Dude, this is fucking gnarly, bro. Yeah, go ahead and slow down. Go ahead.
Oh, does it still have the truck?
Yeah.
Oh, he just did it. Look at this. We need the documents. We need the documents.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's see how well can he back up. All right, I'm about to set you guys over here. We'll see. Hey, good shit, man. Good one. What's up? I usually like to put the landing leg down. So whenever I'm disconnecting, I'll start here, landing leg down, then my festival, and then my airline.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know, because on the only reason why I did it like that, that's how I started doing it.
Yeah.
But on the KW, it made it hard to fucking pull that thing out if I lifted this too high or, you know what I'm saying? But it's actually way smoother on this Peterbilt.
Well, it's
You just
brand
fucking-
new. Yeah, you
you
just
know?
pull it out, yeah. Oh yeah, crank that shit. Alright, good. And then disconnect your airline. Just toss them on the catwalk. Yeah, just toss them on there. What they say, you gonna disconnect and go bobtail park over there? Yeah. Okay. Alright, cool. Right before you dump, yeah, pull up like a foot, then you're gonna dump the suspension, and then let it go down, and then pull out all the way up. Heck yeah. Alright, cool. You good? Alright. Hey, just drive over there. I'll meet you over there. Toolbox is still holding up, guys. So we're good.